Okay, so yeah, if you don't have the Unity Recorder package, which you don't by default in all these Creative Core projects, you got to go get it again. So, reminder, we did learn how to do this in the essentials, but you just go up to the window menu at the top, go to package management, and then open up the package manager. Once you're in here, go ahead and widen that window out just so that you can widen the column on the left over here. Kind of important so you can actually read what those are. Okay. Because by default, you're in my assets or you're only seeing the assets and or your packages in that project. We want to choose Unity Registry. Unity Registry will give us all the stuff that we can get from Unity, including Recorder. So install that Recorder package, and then you'll be able to follow the same instruction you did on recording. Here we go. Trying to find out. Important settings for recording your video. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna make that easier to get to. I'll put it on the syllabus page as well. This one screenshot, super important, right? Whoops. So make sure you use these settings that I have here. It's different than what they showed you in the essentials tutorial. But important to do it like this so that the video file is small enough and short enough that it will work in our discussion posts. So what you might want to do is just save this image. This one image is saved to your desktop. Right here. Yeah. You click on it, it prompts you to save. So we'll just choose desktop. Save that. Cool. Now you can get back to that real easily. See the settings. Photos, yes. All right. Also, once you install that package, remember you got to actually open up the recorder window. So let's make sure we actually installed it. Yep, we got it. So now we get to it, you have to go to window, general. Yeah, I don't know why they put it in general. But general recorder, recorder window. Okay. Now that you got that open, you can follow that image that's on your desktop here for how to record it properly. Good luck.